Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by verifying Docker is active and you have terminal access. Once confirmed, pull a minimal image so you have a predictable environment. Then run an interactive container. Docker run it rm alpine sh. This gives you an ephemeral shell to test commands. Use rm to avoid leftover containers and it to attach a tty. These first steps let you see the container file system and processes immediately, which is essential before layering volumes, ports, or application code. Once inside the workflow, mount your code or data with V to keep changes persistent and editable on the host. Make services reachable by publishing ports with phost port, container port so browsers or APIs can connect. Use Docker PS to list containers, then Docker execute ID sh to jump into a running process for live debugging. Docker logs ID reveals startup output and errors. These actions let you iterate quickly, while understanding how the host and container interact. To finish, gracefully stop running containers, remove them if you no longer need state, and prune unused images to reclaim disk space. Use Docker stop ID then Docker rm ID and Docker image ls to see what to delete. If something fails to start, check Docker logs for the container and Docker inspect for config mismatches. Often a port conflict or missing volume causes failure. If permissions block mounts, make sure the host path is accessible and you run Docker with the correct user privileges.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.